In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between standard and premium DigitalOcean servers on Cloudways and how to launch or upgrade to the best performing setup for your WordPress or WooCommerce site. If you've ever stared at that server choice and wondered whether premium is really worth it, this walkthrough will make it much clearer. The big difference starts at the infrastructure level. Standard servers are built on older Intel hardware and traditional SATA solid-state storage, and they rely on shared virtual CPU threads. In simple terms, your site may end up competing with other workloads for processor time. Premium servers, on the other hand, use newer Intel Xeon or AMD EPYC processors, much faster NVMe storage, and more isolated, high-performance execution resources. That combination matters, especially for sites with busy databases. Now let's talk about real performance. In testing, premium servers consistently delivered much faster database write speeds, often around 40 to 60% better than standard at the same size. That can translate into a smoother WordPress dashboard, faster plugin updates, and less lag during WooCommerce activity. Under heavy traffic, the difference becomes even more noticeable. Standard instances tend to degrade more as load rises, while premium instances stay far more stable and responsive. From a pricing perspective, the value is especially strong at the lower tiers. Moving from the entry standard plan to premium only adds a small monthly cost, but the performance jump is significant. Based on the benchmark data, the best balance of price and speed lands at the premium 2 WebB 2-core server tier. That's the sweet spot for a single business site before returns start to level off. If you're ready to launch a new server, go into your Cloudways platform and click Launch Now. Choose your preferred application blueprint, such as the latest WordPress optimized option. Select DigitalOcean as the infrastructure provider and make sure you switch the server type to premium. Then move the server size slider to the 2 GB or 2 GB 2 core level, choose the data center closest to your audience, and launch the server. If you already have a standard server and want to upgrade without rebuilding everything manually, open the existing server, click the options menu, and choose Clone Server. In the clone settings, change the infrastructure choice to premium, pick your new location, confirm the billing details, and start the clone. Once the new server is active, open the application settings and go to Domain Management. Enter your live domain and set it as primary. Then go to SSL Certificate, enter your administrative email and domain, and install the certificate so HTTPS is enabled. Before going live, do one final check. Confirm the domain is mapped correctly, review memory and storage usage, make sure SSL shows as active, and verify that everything in the console looks healthy and stable. That's it. You now have a clear path to the most efficient Cloudways setup for performance, stability, and long-term value.